Some people want to know watch that one, yeah. Listen to the discussion, yeah. See, want to know tell me what you think in the comment because right now there's a discussion. Seeing Pandan live, right? And the people them attack me people. Seeing and here we go on now. More action a question because when I go listen and I go hear the things them what the people them say. On the things say bling, use RT boss because a whole heap of people them and bling no really deal and a RT boss do the dirty work. It's what me I say. So we're gonna kick it off and hear with them people here Pandan live I say.
It's a wicked woman from artist say she used him to get rid of the doctor.
Yeah, that's what I need to say. That's what I said, you know, remember
and something them said this woman cannot be trusted.
Yeah, me tell you, say when me not talk by so that's why me say Bella know me that say alright, the people them good that say cause Blink say people are complain about Bella, say Bella overdo it. But nobody now complain about alright. If you say Bella a problem, all right, Nurse Brown come for the problem. Then can Nurse Brown not do what Bella do then if somebody
the head too level-headed.
Nurse Brown.
Right.
Listen.
And he's a good person over there with you every day. Why you don't want it?
I know the reason why she wanna get rid of
Don,
her.
you see what Bella do? That not nothing to do with get rid of Bella. Nurse
Right.
and Bella smart.
Cause Bella been doing that all along.
All along from there. But me even hear Blink say Bella
Bella them
can't cuss.
said
So
that
Bella
all
never
along.
cuss because you can't cuss.
And
But
Bella
when
defend them
Bella
all along.
here, she say, "Uno na go they go get yourself in a trouble and me na go defend uno when you go there, you know, uno depend uno one."
This morning me I listen to live on YouTube and me hear she say that she allow TikTok lawyer to get in her home.
Okay.
And she said something about her husband, and then no, she say she never meet TikTok lawyer. She met her, she know her.
Yeah.
I did a pass money life and me hear them say like the two of them come from the same
When
parish.
she got in her home, she don't mean that literally. Mean she brought her in her life by communicating. She probably like speak to her child or whatever the case.
That's how you think.
Okay.
I assume that, but she actually said it out of her mouth. You can assume that, but she said it out of her mouth.
She said it multiple times.
Don, my thing is yesterday when TikTok
literally.
Don, my thing yesterday when TikTok lawyer was all over the place. TikTok lawyer literally go on the police live and say, "I am ready. Start the court case." So why didn't she start the court case yesterday? Make her ask all of the questions them we need for ask.
Right, because and guess what? TikTok lawyer come over me and say, I say, "Why you come over here now?" No, you take gonna say, and she say, "It judge no come on now." And she me with her when the judge ready, me ready.
And Blinger kept saying, "Oh, them I got drag you, you know, it bad. So that kind of gave me a side eye to Blinger, like, why you telling her this? If you come try her like you normally do anybody else. Whether
Maybe
not
to her
drag
spirit take her, true she like her, that's why she.
But
And when they like somebody, you know,
Spirit
they don't easily want to push them out and they like.
You ready to point when me not try get no I'm done. When me not try for the other day when the other night when TikTok lawyer and Kimmy was on your live, you realize that both of them sound alike?
When
What I
like
type TikTok lawyer say?
we like somebody, but I go deal with them.
They're not the same person.
No, I'll be honest to God.
Me, I wonder if TikTok lawyer and Kimmy related.
They go see me can talk round
Listen,
talk round.
I liked her. I
clear.
really liked her. I really
But
liked her.
be an idiot. Me dey pan bling alive
Thank for
and
the gift,
Kimmy
guys.
dey pan it.
Yeah.
And TikTok
TikTok
lawyer
lawyer.
dey pan it. And people are say, TikTok lawyer, you and Kimmy are the same person.
Yeah.
And the two of them
No.
attack at the same
At the same
time.
time, and people still are say I
Bring
see
maybe them a family.
them.
Maybe TikTok lawyer say our mother did upon royalty live. And then Kimmy come over and say that our mother hear royalty saying this and that. Them a family.
I don't listen. Me not draw them the allegation.
Me assume that that's allegation.
Me no know. Me no
The
know.
first
You know
time
what catching you down?
Then talk exactly alike.
Don,
The first
you
time
know
I hear
what catching
TikTok
you?
lawyer talk.
Spooky.
And the first time I hear
Then talk exactly alike.
and she them say no, it's not she. And then one another day now, TikTok lawyer come over here now, and TikTok lawyer in the box, and she say, "Dan, see Kimmy there in the comment, put her up. Add her." She say, "Add her." And me add the two of them, and when the two of them attack, then don't sound alike. Are two different vibes. But when one
The only reason why they say
sound
they
like
sound
the
alike
other
is
one.
because the two
Yes,
of them
I remember
twangy.
we were here. Remember?
Yeah, and that's why through them twang. Them speak properly. So because them speak properly and the voice
They're not the
almost
same
No,
person.
man. Then two are the same.
Similar, Dan.
That
Them
cannot speak
similar.
properly.
And
That
them say
talk too
words,
cool,
them
that's
say
why.
words just the
That's why.
same.
That's why
the
I'm trick.
same.
Man, I make
Them
up my
pronounce
phone.
words just the same.
That
Yeah, but they are not
I'm
the
not like
same
people make
because
up
when
my
the two of them attack on my
Exactly
page at the
alike.
same
I've
time,
seen
you
it
hear the
multiple
two different
times.
vibes.
So
Dan,
that's why when I heard that I didn't even...
Listen, that's
Dan,
why
Yeah.
speaky spokey and trick. That's
yeah.
how speaky spokey and trick bling and get rid of the
Life
people
go.
and running
Listen,
that ask the
listen, Dan.
question and
When one
fool the
speak,
crowd.
they
That's the
sound just
smart the
alike.
hell.
But it so happen to when them do come together now,
They're
you
not
hear
alike.
the difference.
Different,
But
right.
that's suspicious. How you sound just like this person, but when they do come together now for talk,
Who do not sound alike.
who not sound alike.
Me and RT I say same thing, same time. Me say, but no TikTok like this. And me say RT lean back and say, but no Ross, no
You
TikTok
don't
like
sound
this.
like the
And
same
them I say,
person.
no bossy, no, I know she.
So, more want to tell me one thing, people. If you don't feel like say are the same person or them just sound the same. You see me? Because we never really listen to them like that for kinda check out if them sound the same or what. And we soon get into the RT boss and the Miss Blinger thing. If Miss Blinger use RT boss, I don't feel like say I just jumpy. Them soon reach the part there and we're gonna hear what them say and more want to tell me what they thinking in the comments. You see me? So make we just go and watch some more people.
I give me that.
No, that's irate.
Listen,
And RT I said, why she so like TikTok liar to me? And she said the same thing.
John, the whole thing is a for me that the whole thing
Hello,
is a
good
plan
day.
thing because
Good day.
the year
Good
of
day,
a bling a
everyone.
while ago, so somebody come
Well,
on
them
and
people
said
with my
the plan was to went and then get the big check from the agent. Nobody
Yeah,
no
then
get
just
key and
hurry
then
up.
take it and bank and run the business in a bank.
The first thing
And
me
that's
say
somebody
in
just say
all of
over
this
bling a right.
to everybody. You see when you know what trick we Jamaican, you see when people come speak properly, you don't say them intelligent.
They're nice.
Sometimes they're not intelligent and they're not nice. They don't
Just
speak
the
properly
word.
if you trick you know.
Yeah.
And the reason why, because that's why the reason why I did that say a TikTok liar me want beat all long in everything. Because from me the whole commotion, a TikTok liar my problem. Because everybody I say something and
Mute
guess
them.
what? Everything she talk about, she want bring people to court. But you used to bring down people when you used to be liar over blinger. So why if somebody bring you down now, why you want take it legal action? Just bring down back them, take a beating, and do it because that's what the internet is about. If somebody come and beat
So
that
if she
now,
can't find money to pay the people, and my money she got have to go file lawsuit.
Good day, Auntie Dan.
she
Good
said she
evening.
have
Good
to
evening,
check them
everyone.
over her yard and she
Lawsuit
don't send out no check all now. Cause 3 people working on and 3 people supposed to get paid, out of the whole of the 100 and 300 and add somebody, 3 people work already,
Work I do
Dan,
Yes,
No,
bling
no,
with
no.
everything we want. From bling hear about the money, every bling skin catch a fire, bling this everybody because bling hear about the money. Today bling say on our life, say the woman know her friend, the woman know her pity them, the woman come in her house, the woman know her husband. When bling catch up with her, say bling switch her mouth and say, she wicked. When I show the picture here bling, all you know say she. Bling bitter, not happy so.
Yeah.
But then the picture
Bling no
of the girl for
I'm
real.
gonna show one picture today. Somebody
The picture is for real.
Yes,
The
bling
picture
say all
is
you know
her.
say she. Bling
Yo,
Boy, me not tell no lie.
Bling know everything we want. Bling say
If
money
you
no
pay
one
attention,
now.
look at if you did pay attention. You see the first time when RT show the picture, Bling I go up on mute and dip on the phone.
Long time.
Bling I go up on mute and dip on the phone.
The picture with RT that wasn't her.
No, but me I tell you say the TikTok liar call Bling right away and said no, that's not me.
Bling say she hear from the woman. Bling say she hear from the woman. Bling say she hear from the woman. Today say she go get the money. And then Bling change her mouth and say she not how much our time now. The woman go if she not get it already, oh she will get it again. Bling change her mouth right there. Look here, you see the intelligent, you see the dunce them? Oh, speaky like of them. Me have a brother there, when he go fi speak, and him can't spell rat nor cat, cause we not afraid to talk. But when he go fi speak, you wonder how much subject him have.
Let me ask you a question, please. If the lady go Bling also sit down with Bling, why do they send her on picture? If she go Bling also sit down with Bling,
play a fool for catch wise. Play a fool for catch wise. That's exactly what Bling is doing.
What's going on? That's why I tell us that fool the people. Listen. When the people
it was just a corporation to get some people.
The first day when the woman company live
to make a money and boom down the place and gone. But here what?
The first day the woman
the secret come out before them.
Thank you.
Before them do that.
Thank
and
you.
that is the main thing.
All
them
day the woman
just...
go up and Bling live. First the woman go up and Bling live. Bling get a call before Bling go live. And like Bling that say, come over my live. And when Bling, you have got inbox me, you have got call me, you Bling, but me have got send them my number. That was the first thing. And me I say, oh, all of a sudden Bling want go in a partner. Bling want to look here, but me hard to scam me. Me one of the hung me.
Right now, my mama
is
is a partner. Our woman run with Ghana charge.
Oh.
With
anything involve money. With some people when I use the money, we get tricked.
Me not get tricked.
No partner for nobody. Unless I in our house, whatever we were in our house. The 18 that we in our house, I was just partner.
Yo, I'm my partner. Me not have a partner with nobody.
America so big.
Okay, man.
Listen, me don't need to go
Okay, man. All of a sudden, when you said Bling,
So on the ear where the people them say Bling know the woman and I go on like say she don't know the woman. So I want to tell me what you think in the comment, you know, and tell me what you think them a do this for. Because they must do this for a reason. They must have fool the people them for a reason. If you don't believe what the man just say that them a do it for, I don't think of something else. But this have to be for some money or something. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comment. Make a watch some more.
Mute Williams.
Right,
Williams, mute. Yeah, but me I say this now. Look on everything how it play out. You don't know this woman. You don't know a woman from nowhere. But you recruit over 400 people before you even see somebody face.
Somebody. That looks
so money, somebody get a piece of food already still. Where me feel like say a TikTok lie get a piece of food because she come tell a lie this man yesterday, you know, say two check over her yard, some check over her yard. So all you know send out the people them check if you have the people them check.
Oh, okay.
Cause Blinga just confirmed that say she said check over her yard and she not send out no check to Kimmy cause Kimmy get check.
Listen to the words coming from them mouth. Listen to what them say. At first, them said this is a company that's farming, and nobody never get clear.
It's a startup company.
Then when you listen to them, 1 month ago, when did they farm this company that so much people work for how much weeks and 300 people? Come on now, this is a big
people now work.
When did it just come? Everybody gone already. When did it just come?
Only 4 people work
already.
already.
I left my woman file for when we come here.
Six then say work already. Six then say.
6, if not, yeah. How many? But it's not 300
I left my
people
woman mother file for when she
but they have 300 people in the group.
Right, ready to start working.
Ready for work.
Yeah.
By computer already. Some people spend their money by computer already.
Yes, and lose them job. How could you quit your big government job where you claim so you have? Figure work for a faceless person.
I like to get a blood clot help.
We can't do the lava.
Fucking lie. All we have government jobs until we 2 bomber clots.
Everybody start work for government once they come to America. Everybody are work
Wanna
for
see
government
it?
one say they're
I'm a
America.
responsible blood
And you
clot.
don't know them. Everybody work for
Wanna see
government
it, man?
So
See
and
them
you don't know them.
after you
scam
blood clot,
on a run go throw the money give them, but
after
wanna
you
see
gullible
them
that
scam on
you were sure for unsure.
No, but then sit there, like the people them will go
No, me
all
not give
out,
a
them
sure for
feel
unsure.
away,
Once
but
if me not have a, if me not
Kimmy
have
was the director of HR. Why
because
would
guess
you
what?
quit?
Oh, who you gonna
$5,000 a week.
we
sue?
never see her over my
Me
hospital, it's
not
like
asking.
HR there.
Me say them loose,
But
Who
man.
the
are you
director of
gonna
HR.
sue?
What
Because if you
position?
want to sue for lost wages, who are you gonna
Maybe say
sue
she didn't
without
Me
want
paying
to
a
never see
see
job?
us.
someone
What
slap
job?
this.
Liar,
Right.
them a go sue TikTok liar. That them a go
Who
put
are
on the
you going to
paper.
sue? What is
So
her
oh you
name?
gonna sue somebody you
No.
don't know.
What is
You
her
don't
Wanna
know
name?
their
just
name, you
see
don't know
a
their face.
No, you
no, a
gonna
Exactly.
sue
No,
TikTok
somebody you
sir.
don't know.
liar.
Thank God for
No, a
sense.
TikTok liar say she a go sue.
No,
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just
Listen,
saying for them to
listen.
get the
If
job.
God gonna send people for use their friggin' sense, that means everybody handicapped. How
She
you
a go
gonna
sue
lose
this.
it? How you gonna
Listen,
give up your job, quit your job for something where you not get hired for yet?
TikTok liar I go sue for defamation of character because remember
Yo,
the day I think a Cassandra did attack. Somebody did attack and she
Now
go
say it
here
have
say
a
but
what?
look
person
here now,
never told her what
miss,
happened to
miss,
me.
listen,
You don't
Do you
miss.
quit your job or do you apply? And then when you
How
get through
TikTok
with the
lawyer
job,
gonna
then
sue
you
somebody for
resign from your work.
defamation and TikTok lawyer is not a right name. So we are cost
And a
money
real
where we don't
person.
know.
Listen,
How
TikTok
the
lawyer is
people will go
nothing.
over the
That not
next
depend on
life?
government
what
nothing
I
better.
know,
It's not a union.
People for use them
She
sense,
copyright her
man.
name.
what I
She
Then
can
copyright
say
her name.
that.
That's the only way she
What,
can sue somebody.
how
Unless
the
what
her
I
people will
name
go over
TikTok
the
lawyer
next
is on a business.
life where I listen to the story. Ask them over the next life. Oh, somebody when you're TikTok liar can sue somebody for defamation
but
of
are the
And
first thing
character.
the
and
kids
it's not
never
her
know.
name.
It's the OT I go sue. Oh,
The girl when named Cassandra though is panicking so much and Blinger is not helping the story, child. Try to
what
come
I
out and
don't
she
know
beg.
about. All right, listen.
I go
All
text
right.
Something big
Sarah,
and go
I
on.
stand for the live. Say, Cassandra, TT text you. Yes, she text me and she said she have a report me on station because this is from the time I said that. Bling, I'm gonna take it down.
No,
I'm
no.
gonna take it down. That's not the way
Who's the
you
phone teller?
position. The
They
woman
all know
better make
what's
a
going
straw for
on.
her belly. That's too much. This woman who private business the the live now. What kind of nothing is them here?
Listen this, bigger
Listen,
things than
they
this
know
a
But
come.
what's
but
going
Bigger
one
things
on.
man,
than this
Listen,
a
one
go
man,
come
some
put
man,
on in
Bigger
a
some
box
man,
thing
and
some
yet.
man
than
come
Bigger
up
than this a come.
TikTok.
This
Cassandra,
I
you
don't know
see?
yet. Bigger than this a
The
come, man.
only
Come up
the only
Exactly, Dan.
Cassandra.
Bigger
the
things
only
than
way
this
the
a
Bigger
only
things
come.
way
than this a come, man.
the
What?
only way
Something
they
a
can
go on
sue each
behind the scene.
other
A crime there
unless
yesterday.
them a do
When
certain
you put
things on
on,
phone. Cause
bigger
you see
things
what them
a
a
go
bring
on,
on
Dan.
TikTok is just a what them a bring on TikTok, we don't know what them correspond over
It's a
phone and them
facade.
stuff there.
them have
Cause
something
them a
go on
correspond
behind
behind pan.
door. Them have
Yeah, them a
something go on
correspond.
behind door, may I tell
Cassandra,
you.
this girl
Dan,
from
That if you don't notice,
Dan,
every time Miss
Huh?
Blinger come with a story,
hold on the
she
principal
go up on
ask Dan a
mute and she
Dan,
get have the phone at the ears.
exactly. Dan, how come Miss Linger depend live all this time a cuss and I bring down people and the husband never hear it, but now the husband hear it. I want on.
For RT and RT are biggest man for the whole social.
Somebody a coach her on the phone too,
here.
brother.
When you hear what they
Somebody a
say
coach
about
her
the
on the
girl named
phone.
Cassandra B? The girl
But
Huh?
you never see RT on the phone at the same time. When she dey on the phone, you never notice.
Somebody a coach her
You
on the
see
phone.
answer when me give you a while ago? You see answer when me give you that me artist the last night say true. It might be the small on the platform. That's why husband here. So me give you answer with artist the last night. Cause me that what
Thank you for that. Thank you for that answer, there, Dan. Thank
oh
you.
yeah. Artist here for me like
This
this.
don't look good, this not sound good, it's nasty, this grading.
All of this episode
So what
scared
Right
them
when
now,
off.
I
we
don't
have
even
one
know what to
money
delete
on
and what to
my army,
delete.
that
So
Come on, like, this is
I
too
just feel
much.
like stuff just mind my business here. Cause
You see if
you
we follow
don't know
all of
what
them
to
something that
like.
we are going on TikTok,
All of
people
them are
just don't
liar
believe
though.
nobody on TikTok and just say everybody are same thing.
Look here, I
yeah,
want
All of
to
them are
in a
but
liar
it's
though.
TikTok
true.
practice. Come in,
Dan, that's why I
And
keep
when
my
people
money in
really
my
want it, they
pocket.
not gonna get it because people not gonna trust nobody.
That's why I keep my
Right.
money in my pocket
Me
because
not give
guess
none of them
what?
no money, cause
Me
them
say
a
I give you my
trickster.
money, I'm not trust what you say.
But listen,
You know me think people, me think RT boss and Blinger, them up to something. Them are going with something. The first thing remember, are with Ivan, and at the same thing them are going the confusion, and now that one year. Them are going with something and the people them are take time to find them out. And when them come with the Ivan thing, me say this, say you can't cry wolf. You see me I say, cause when the real wolf come, nobody now go pay you no mind. You see me, and it look like say them continue to do this thing because them a get something out of it right now. But you lose the people them cause people are looking at certain things wanna say and I say, no man, no go so man. Oh them a say this, oh them a say that. You see me I say people are look through, you know, and I say them a come with some foolishness every time. You understand? So people, more want to not tell more on thinking at the comment, make a watch some more.
Couple
Your
days ago, what me say to
story,
Uno?
it not add up.
Well, I know couple days ago, me say same thing in here. Me say, you see what them a do? Them a play, them a trick the people, them and the people, them a get tired. Them a get, because every minute is a different story, and them a beg money, and I tell people life to get the money. Me say, all Bling had to do was come out straight up and say, look, me want to do my body. You know, can you guys donate? And people would donate. But all of this,
Nobody do, nobody now look lady. Come on. Come with that body.
people
Look
that
for
help
nobody
us.
there.
People that donate.
That's how one body nobody know what it is. Look how it bling our beg. Must be over 2 years now. Come on.
Well, who was begging? Everybody a beg. Everybody on TikTok a beg. Why this person asked me who was begging? Me not talk about just Wagwan with RT. Me a talk about period.
Yeah, overall.
Where you go
She
talk
said she
who
don't get
was
support from
begging?
the people.
Yeah, she don't get that support.
You don't get support for
So that's
two.
why them use RT, but RT know what him want. Like, we keep telling people say RT spiritual in the
And after them use RT,
Them are
RT is
word.
free, and they use RT, it is free-handed. That's the thing. And when you have somebody around there with free-handed, you don't want to let them go.
That's true.
He's
That's
free-handed.
So hold on, that person, you know one of the person. One name Shanae. Shanae know one of the person who was hired to, right?
Yes, the girl
Yeah.
that girl.
She come explain this morning.
Oh.
Yeah, mama, me sorry for you and me sorry this happened to you and I just want to beat the mama, you have to just take her and just go on.
Just take your nose, that I say, right.
That's true.
But look at how you have got one up
Yeah,
on
but
position.
you know what? I think they saw the value.
Oh, you have got one up on
in her.
position where you don't sign a paper for.
Me no know.
So what Shanae do? Shanae at Jamaica?
Listen, me I do work and guess what? Me I get a certain amount of money for that job, yeah. And then me still a search because me want a bigger, better paying job. And then me still a search and me see a job and me apply for the job. Me not gonna let me work. And when me go
Where
do the
Shanae de
interview,
Lava? Where Shanae live? You know?
cause she live in Jamaica, but Shanae she name. But what happened is this girl she went, she not do no interview nor nothing, she resign her work. Oh, if you give her sure for unsure, then I will give me soap for wash my dress.
But listen,
I'll give me food for feed them.
That's how we then tell me.
What kind of work the girl give up?
That's how we then tell me.
She said she left her good. And I mean say it, darling, she said she left her good
Right.
government work.
Oh, no, I say it right. She left her government work. Say the government make everybody here. Cause you have to be the biggest dopey. Nobody knows when this job. Figure work for a no face company much less government.
Shanae is the one that said she left her job because she was depressed because her brother had died.
No,
Kimmy, we are talking about Kimmy.
No, we're talking about Kimmy. We're talking about Kimmy. Not
yes,
So
that
you
one
know,
there.
clarify say Kimmy are the one that get up and left her job because she said she wanted a stay at home.
yeah, actually, we are talking. We can't talk. All right, listen. The reason why me ask, the reason why me ask where Shanae lives. The reason why me ask where Shanae lives, because you see Jamaican people, they don't understand the ropes. So, I mean, people who living in Jamaica. That's why me ask where she live, because me kind of feel a little way for the people in with them at Jamaica.
Are the people in me feel away for
Me feel away fear, but let me interject. That I just come on.
Me don't feel away for none of them girls.
If you get a job, you need to sign documentation. Say yes, this are the job or me I get. This are how much me I pay.
Yes, but hold on for 1 second.
Nothing has been signed.
Hold on
Make
for
she
a
finish,
second,
miss.
honey.
None of these
Listen.
people can hold
Wait, no.
TikTok liar, Teresa, Teresa, whatever her name
Yes.
is, accountable because them not sign nothing at all.
Yes, but hold on for 1 second now. You come on, Yolanda. You have to understand. You have to think like, remember say you're Jamaican, think like Jamaican.
Yeah,
When you're
think
there
like
at Jamaica,
Jamaican.
Yolanda, when you're there at Jamaica, right? And you see certain opportunity, the way you probably feel desperate, because some of these people in Jamaica,
Desperate, my money come first. Not desperate, nothing. You have to run my money.
yeah,
At
You
Jamaica,
know,
I come
miss,
from.
where, Millie,
You have to
is,
run my money.
Millie,
me just see,
where they
me,
say,
Yeah, but guess what? Not one person cannot speak for everybody. And some of the girl them, we are go through them life struggles, and some of the people them when
yes,
they are
that's
come
what
on
I'm
the show.
saying.
Listen, wait now. You had some people that were coming on the show and they were asking for money to start up business or to help themselves, and them say, all right, we're gonna put you up on the list to start work. Them people that really was looking forward to the opportunity.
for
I don't
Yes,
give a
job,
fuck about the Kimmy
yes,
girl or whoever, none of them
yes.
blood clot there.
The whole, the
And the
whole, the
people
whole
them, the
point,
300 and odd people,
the whole point.
300. You don't know 300 people how much?
So the Ivan thing flap out, you know, them find something else to come with, and the people them see say this thing here, it not real. And them people here go continue come with them foolishness until people just allow them alone. Cause you can't come and try fool the people them every minute. I tell them this and I tell them that, and I carry them on a journey. Them say you can fool some of the people them sometime, but you can't fool all the people them all the time. People are going to see what them are going with. So me I say, so me just stay and I go and watch and see what them are doing. Just I take it as entertainment. So I want to tell me what I think. We can watch some more.
Enough people that man.
The girl them say
But look at them.
The pussy clot. And them
The
people
whole,
never feel
the
like
whole point, the whole point.
trust Bling. You don't understand what going.
Listen,
When you
the whole
trust
point is,
Bling, listen now.
the,
Bling is an
the whole point when
influencer,
they,
you know. And
the whole
Bling,
point they
Bling,
trust,
come on. You
the
have
whole
to
point they
trust.
trust the
girl that
platform.
say,
Listen,
our baby
listen,
father
listen.
take the last money where them have and buy the
By
computer for
computer.
her.
That are the
And
people
she
that want me
even
sorry
done
for.
pay feet
Because them put them trust in the platform. So when they come
Yes,
up,
so
them
she
say, okay, we are putting in
them
this
now.
design. So here, we
You
get
know
a
what?
computer.
Them they are
Them
Jamaica.
people they buy a computer.
Listen, man, listen. Yes, if you don't live in Jamaica hard.
She
Them
spend
people that when
50,000
they
to buy
heard
one
about a
computer.
good opportunity, of course, who is not going to jump to the opportunity?
That's
Yes.
exactly.
And especially where it's coming from, they're not gonna feel like it's a scam.
Trusted source.
You're gonna jump to the opportunity. Yes, I am not saying that. But you're not jump to the opportunity if you go buy a computer and do this with word and mouth. You have to give me
Why
something
not? It's the
tangible.
same thing.
Yeah, people will do that. Them must say
You
as
have
if
to give me something
me,
tangible.
look here, if it was Dan that come and say, yo, me have some work for you, you know. We wouldn't believe, brother, because it's a source.
All
We
right,
are gonna
hold on to
believe.
one.
Your
Okay.
position to
Especially you see the
highlight
person
someone
every
else.
day,
Yes,
every day.
I will see the person
That's
every
the thing,
day.
everybody see her every day, every
Okay.
day. I'm gonna watch her deep
Some of these
situation.
people are really
Let me
And I go say
desperate.
from Bling I involved be good, cause Bling a depend
Yes,
social media
that
every
is
day.
the
let,
point.
And I
hold
run
on to
down
one
her.
second.
They need the
Let me
computer
give
to
you
have
a
the
prime
job.
example. I'm gonna give you a prime example.
And she make she get
In
more
Jamaica,
customer.
listen. Do you know how many people get scammed in a Jamaica every day for visa? How much people walk them at them, walk them, beg them, borrow them,
Yes,
thief, to pay the scammers for visa and never get a
yes,
visa?
yes.
It's like that, and then listen.
Listen, at
They
one
never
point when I was
actually see the
watching them
person
during
give no
when they were
visa, you
telling
know.
people the recruiting process, when they were on the live
Come
and they
on.
were telling people about the process, I took down the information and I gave it to some family members too.
So you wouldn't believe because it a come from somebody where they on the line where we all know.
Yes,
So at the point, that's at the point. We
yes,
It's
believe.
just
of
like,
course
all
we
right,
did
it's
believe.
just like when I sit down sit down all the time here with
Why
Dan.
would I
And
think some used to get up and go to school and rascal? I love read. Why are they called influencers?
But no name not the company. Company supposed to can find. So whether me nah go buy a laptop and me can't find the company.
Tommy says she's still telling the people.
That's why
that
I'm telling
they
say
are
yes, the poor people are always get the end of the shit. True. Because if I did some more people were up there were second class and hierarchy people, they would have never been so gullible to bite off the opportunity.
Listen
they would
to
have tried
this
to
now.
think twice.
Actually, people them want work. Actually, people them want work. That's why they look for them people.
To work.
Yes, people they want money.
You see, if you
and hear what they do. Most of the people them what they use. You know who they use? They use the people that come beg. We say we want to look help. And then the people then dropping
we as Jamaican.
Target blinger.
We as Jamaican, you know. Mr. Man battery girl. Mr. Man battery blood clot girl. And we as Jamaican, hear what we say. All them girl they fuck a girl. Eh? When a man run a train on a girl without her blood clot will. Eh? Uno blame the only reason why all the while.
Listen, you know the only reason why I blame hold on there, sir. You know the only reason why I blame some of these victims? Because you live in America. And you should never make nobody make you quit your government job. You idiot. Eh?
We're not talking about that girl. We're not talking about she.
No, listen what I'm saying.
We're not talking about she. We're talking about the Jamaicans them when they put at risk.
I know, I said that already, sir. What I'm saying is,
she ain't desperate, as she for herself. She never desperate.
Sir, hold on for a second. I'm saying I cannot stand people who blame
you have a
victims.
spam. Something is typing the same thing over. Kyle is spamming the chat.
Blame victim. Just
Kyle
like the lady just said.
You keep typing the same thing. Kyle
just like the lady just
57.
Thompson 57.
Keep typing the same thing over and over. Kyle, you know you're gonna spam the lady chat. Why are you doing all of that nonsense?
A fake page up, man. Them a do it from what here. We gone. Them a do it from what here.
Does Cassandra live in the US?
Blinger is to be blamed.
US, right?
So that's what I say. So we not blame the victim. We blame the person where come and portray something that they don't investigate. Because if me come here now and say me have 10 hours to give away, and when at the end of the day, and me will not to blame. We can't blame the people them will jump on it.
Okay, so say for instance, call center paid $5 hour in Jamaica. They said, oh no, we're not gonna give you $5. We're gonna give you 7 or 8.
You know what this coming like?
Then why you think the people in Naga gravitate
Cash plus?
No, not the cash plus. The DJ envy something that we are going right now with the real estate something with him and that guy there. DJ envy know the guy. Go on him show, go talk say it's a real thing. And know with them there in a quarters because it was a
because the man platform big. That's why them target the man. Them target the man. So TikTok liar and our friend target Blinger because they know the Blinger is trusted by a lot of people. So TikTok liar targeted Blinger. Targeted Blinger. Because she build her trust with her.
It also happened to Emily Crooks years ago.
Up to now, Blinger now cause TikTok liar. So something in a something too. Up to now, Blinger now this TikTok liar.
All right.
Blinger, this everybody.
I say when I tell RT put him head way up in the phone, I said, Blinger, tell the girl go suck him, mama.
Yeah, man.
Tell the girl go suck him, mama, Blinger.
A while ago, say him can't help her no more.
Then you know why him do uptime, tell her to do that.
What she keep saying it's not a scam.
When he told her to tell the girl to go suck her, mama.
Let me say something for one second.
And him just lift up off of the pay.
Pay the people and make them
Pay 6 people them will work then. Pay them. Pay 6 people them will work then. Can't no sound a check.
You know hear so one person forget $5,000.
No, but me I say she's saying it's not a scam. So why don't pay the people them thousands of dollars?
I want to pay them.
Because it's a scam. You know, so they can't get paid.
Uno pan TikTok are pay. People them pan TikTok.
No. That's why I'm a big.
I plan for go on.
No one cuss the girl. Wanna know why Blinger no one cuss the girl? I bet no know why.
Because Blinger name the pan paper. Why?
Right now, it don't look good pan Blinger. It look like say Blinger in with this woman here. And I fool the people them. You so me I say? Because if a person I use you to get to the people them where follow you, that I mess up for your name too, you know. And if you now come out and I go hard on that the person there, it look like say you and them you and them are the same thing, right? Because my sibling up on the phone yesterday with the woman, and Blinger just talk to the woman calmly and nice and alright and something. So it look like say she not have no issue with the woman. But my sibling I go off pan the people them where get fool like how she get fool, and she not go off pan the person where cause all of this. So I go watch some more my people.
Because Blinger no one miss the opportunity of getting the check. Cause she swear up and down the check a come. But we
Okay,
know
just
swear up
just
and down
one
the
thing.
check a
Hear
come.
this out now. One thing
Listen,
I have to say.
remember the
So,
time
Una
we
the
there
were
bar
are
with
telling them
Blinger
check
done,
a come
me I
in.
get fear to the too.
done.
Me
Let the
get
new
my
person
check too.
talk.
They're
Let me hear a
asking,
new
Kimia
person I say.
explain.
done.
Why
They're
TikTok lion
asking.
a come out? Why Kimia
Kimmy's
explain?
on Blinger Live, right? They're asking her, what is the name of the company? This shit is a scam. Your answer. Let I educate you about the BPO, the industry. The people are asking, what is the name of the company? She go on and on and on. Kimmy is a part of it.
Yeah,
Then
cause
they
she's
ask her, hold
hold
on
on
up.
there,
They
Yami.
ask
Come
her,
on,
hold
sir.
on.
Come
Make
on,
him
pull
talk,
up.
make him talk, make him talk,
Make
make
him
him
talk, no
talk.
What
man,
is
make
the
him
name of the
talk.
company?
Everybody have
The
them
name of the
own
company
opinion.
wasn't created as yet, but we are reviewing the contract with the well-known
So we had an
companies in the
LLC,
US to
the
work with the
company not have no
BPO
name.
industry. What the fuck is
We
that?
have no LLC.
Me
Kimmy
Rasta.
over there a
What the fuck
Nah,
is
bar.
yeah,
no,
man, hold on there. Yeah,
We
man,
what
are
is
bring
not,
me
that?
we are not, we are
All
the
you
guy.
yeah,
Oh,
man,
done,
bring
Kimmy
me two
knows
piece
done.
of
so
that
much
sheen them.
All
about
you
it.
to
The
get contract,
contract,
right?
the
And
company,
companies
the
and you
all
don't
that.
have
And
Let
she
LLC.
them
knows that she may get
talk.
paid
No, no,
$500
guys,
Don,
We're
you're not,
adults. We're
you
adults.
Don,
Let one person
all you
talk.
see a
Don, you're
contract,
not paying
right? All
attention.
you see a contract, right?
You know, yes, so the
And
company not
all you
have
know
no
see a
name.
company. There's a
I
contract and
just say
don't have a
no.
company. Is that you're not going to say it, Don?
But that's what me
Is that
I
you're
say.
not
Oh,
going to say
Kimmy
it?
knows so much about the company, but she
Kimmy is
over
a
there
part
boss,
of
so
it,
she not
and
get
Kimmy
paid.
Let me
Live
ask
go
her.
play
Una
a
listen,
federal
listen.
job.
Yeah, let me
Wait,
ask
before
her.
ear, before ear, before
Kimmy
ear.
facilitate a federal job
Everybody mute.
to the director.
We're
Life,
not
Kimmy
You
going
know
to
not
what?
let
go.
I was
one
Kimmy is
I
a
was
person
part
looking
of
in
it.
that
let
Kimmy
avenue.
one
As
not
I
a
talk.
said,
lawyer.
I was
Well, I don't know
working,
you
so I was
from.
looking in this avenue at the time. To be honest, you have direct access to TikTok, lawyer as well. You what the people and when you interview an apology to, you know. I did apologize to them. If and, you and, said I was here, I just came off. I was on RT Live all night. Then I came over here. I happened to sleep, and because you guys wanted some clarity. So I just came up to like provide some clarity. So I do apologize. This is the reason why I brought this to Miss Bling,
Everything
so
we
I
are
could provide some
gone.
clarity to the
Everything we
people,
are
and I
gone.
do
And she are
apologize
confused
because
that
at the
she
end
not
of the
get
day,
scammed.
I
She
sat
Let
down
them
to
talk,
interview
them
this
please.
person, right? I was given the title of director of HR, so that was my sole
So
job
question.
to do.
So who selected you to be director of HR? Was it Blinger or TikTok
Well,
Live?
TikTok Live, so based on my qualifications and conversation with her,
You presented her a resume of your qualifications?
if I presented her as my qualification, no, I did not.
Are you?
She knows that. She
She
knows
know
that
your
I
qualification.
See, so that's the thing. You see, for it to be legit, it has to start from them little
bullshit.
things that
That's
may
what my thing I say
little
from
things.
morning.
No, not necessarily.
No, but for that's what I say. This is what makes businesses
But
legit.
now,
So
there's a law in the
I have a
US
business
We
that
don't
I
want to
want to
hear
grow
that
in my
now, Dan.
career.
God, them a tell lie.
corporation
But that's
Oh,
the
where you
thing.
can hire anybody.
right.
There's a
oh,
law in the US.
People, you know what? Me feel like say enough for them person, yeah, we in that something, yeah, them just want a social media fame. You see me? Because the girl, yeah, me see her on social media in a everybody box. Anywhere no local discussion I go on, she did it. I give her opinion on it everywhere, everywhere. Me used to see her enough over the youth when he beat up. And then me start see her over Blinger. So me feel like say she well want a little fame on social media. So that's why she in that something here. Cause you hear the people them a say she a part of it. Make her watch some more.
Well said on. You have to advertise the job before you can apply employ anybody within for a certain period of time to make it clear and open and transparent. There's some discrimination, racism, and race and then something there. So how she just get position and never public.
And look at her, and she don't read your resume, so how she know your qualification, and you don't give her a resume. Remember say, look here, remember say when Dan, remember the night when TikTok liar come over here, I first one type and I comment and say you're wanted, and then me go over Royal, go say Royal, TikTok liar over here, so call that. Let's look at now. When TikTok liar come in, she say add Kimmy. Why would she want to add Kimmy if she don't know nothing about Kimmy? And then she say, Dan, listen here, listen if we sound different, and me know so they sound different. But here we going now with Kimmy. Kimmy know TikTok liar personal. The two of them talk, so she a put on a facade now.
Thank you.
If
look like she's a victim.
Cool.
Make she look like she's a victim.
So they were friends before the initial contract actually.
Cause she said TikTok liar say once somebody know my face and know about me, and then Kimmy come in her life.
But weird because they said that this company was been working on for 9 months. Well, they said TikTok liar was working for the company. Working on the company for 9 months. So within the 9 months,
That liar said she pregnant. Like Kimmy.
So look at you see true, they don't know TikTok liar. They might show everything on TikTok liar. True, we don't know TikTok liar. True, we don't know TikTok liar. That's why they might show everything on her.
TikTok liar said she petite like Kimmy.
I hear everything everybody say and I respect your opinion, but nobody can convince me otherwise. A TikTok liar and a Kimmy. I'm sorry. That's just my opinion.
They're not the same person. They're family.
I get it, and that's your opinion.
I'm related.
Remember, guys. Remember, we are living in a AI world. Remember, we are living in a technology world, AI world. It can be the same person and one account is running on a bot. Remember, we are living in a technological era.
It can if it's true in a pretty thing.
It's true, because just like how
AI country.
You know say can have a computer. You know say can hold on there. You know say can have a computer in front of you, right? And you can depend live. And the words that you're speaking, it goes through the computer and it filters out through your mic on your phone.
Yes.
It's completely different.
Lava,
Yes.
I know all of that.
Listen, me tap take up. Look here.
So me kinda see what pretty Pinker say.
Lava, I know all of that, and like I said, this is my opinion, guys. You understand me? Respect everybody's opinion, but this nobody.
That's why me not tell you what to think.
Liar, I know, Kimmy.
Listen, it can be her.
I am open to that.
Kimmy they on social media every day.
Yeah, but then guess what? You have a Kimmy, and then you have TikTok liar. You have a persona. You understand what I say? So anything goes wrong, Kimmy's
they
not
put it on. Yes, they might put it on TikTok liar because we don't know the TikTok liar.
They know
sound
what
just
they were
like
doing.
Kimmy raise your hand.
Yes.
Putting it one cousin there was sound just like Kimmy. You should come here right now. Come
Yeah.
I wonder if I Miss World Jamaica.
Because we don't know TikTok liar and Kimmy posts picture up on our page. So the person where if you cuss, they might say, oh, we can't cuss Kimmy because so we have to go throw it on liar because liar and have no face, liar and no chase.
No liar have face.
Exactly, because
TikTok liar play a bullfrog.
Kimmy no TikTok liar.
But did I watch last night?
When
Kimmy ball out and say, yes, RT, that's that big bullfrog. And I mean, said people are what Kimmy said last night when RT show up, TikTok liar picture.
Nobody can tell me different. I'm sorry. That's her. Because why she up there knows so much thing about the company.
So much thing about the company and she never sent in a resume.
But we are not prince, not even Blinger, the person where are the partner have so much explanation. But Kimmy have so much things to explain in and out and what kind of business and the contract and this and that.
And you don't know about the company, but you left your government work where you get up to, because most government work, you get over
Not
60
just
and
government,
70,000.
federal.
No, but
Remember the word, federal.
Federal.
you have the qualification to run a call center job. Why TikTok liar pick she out of everybody with no resume, with no nothing?
Because they go college
HR.
together. That's how we feel.
Because they know each other.
No.
They know each other.
Me feel like they go college together.
They know each other.
Something not right.
So my people, this girl yeah, me not lie. What the people them must say I know, me kinda look upon her and I say, yeah, it look like say a she other person there. Right? Because from this bus out and everything I go on, it's like she forward yesterday, you know, and I explain everything, you know. Right? And I know the person was supposed to be the boss, right? No come and explain nothing at all. As she alone come and she explain, as she talk most of the time. If you don't watch the video when me drop, you hear fear voice right through as she explain everything. So to me, it look like say as she are the two person. Make me know anything. Make we watch some more. So we are go forward to Blinger. You know what they want to talk about Blinger. You see me?
Like it's a reset for Blinger. This one. You understand? And how can you trust anybody on the app? You know what I mean?
No, as me tell you, you know, let me tell you something with some people. As me tell you about me, you know. You same time me, alright, you see if me, like say for instance, me there, me I have people on the app where my spirit really taking up. I mean, I do everything in my power just to me and them out of me, because to my spirit take them. You understand? So it's just like me that say, me like Blinger man, because me get to find out say, Blinger cool. But the things that here now, in the show, and me should do them so me can't say. So me still have to hold on with me, hold on until when me reach in the position, me I go say, you know, say I chew everything, but me can't say what everybody else has said. I never got in the position yet.
That's sometimes our mouth, our biggest downfall, because she come on the app all the time saying, oh, nobody no know nothing about her. She transparent.
Exactly.
That, and you have so much things in your closet.
But remember again, them tell you say only your friend know your secret, so only he can reveal it.
Exactly, but you know your everybody have skeleton. Nobody is so clean and pure and Mary. You understand? So you come on the app all the time.
Nobody
so you come on the app all the time, spouting that you have nothing to hide. That's how many people them want to dig more and more to find out who the hell is this person.
Me I'm bringing in a little passa already too, you know. And after we crashing down with us, as me tell you, me don't really like them. There's something there with the cuss and them there. And me go over here. Me go over here. Your job and have to cuss me and bling. I say, no man, me like that, me not cuss that.
Yeah,
I'm going here, RT change, you know, and say, me you don't like that. And then me your RT, I say, oh, me love that. So me don't know what to believe, me don't know.
You see your job on TikTok, Dan?
Yeah.
Break down the news.
Right, me don't want to get into them sitting there.
You just be neutral.
Neutral. Me are the neutral person where people can voice them opinion. You now come over here, can't get no black. You come over here, you talk your mind, and you come down, but you have to know, so when you come over here, you got people when I back so good and gang you, and me go lean back and me say nothing, like me I say, I know my business.
You man down, me beat them for you down, me beat them for you. Everybody did a move on it up like you down, up that nice.
But me now go favoritism and say, true, you come and talk about that man, I say, come on to my back, because you talk about me. No, me now go do that. Right. You're free to voice your opinion, it's your opinion, me you can't say the same thing. Me you can't love folk the same way.
And you let the app change a little bit, Don, because when you come over here now and people saying, I'm not bad mind, I'm not trying to be your enemy. I'm just saying that we have different agreements, and that's fine. That's okay. If you're a little understanding. Everybody want to come over Dan because guess what? Them know so them points are gonna be heard and be respectful. Instead of here, go so
let me tell you what me see them do all the while. When somebody come in our box and then they come out of this blood clot, come out of this
take them down.
Come on, let people voice them opinion.
You can't, because
a lot of them downfall, you know. Me know that there gonna be a lot of them downfall.
Appear, yes man and yes woman.
Yes
if
man
say
and yes
anything, if I say anything they don't want to hear, block that.
Yeah.
Nan.
Yeah.
Me like Blinger, you know, but me feel that this is Blinger downfall. Me feel that this time I Blinger forget fear beaten.
Yep, I agree.
Me feel that, yeah, that me feel. Me like, don't get me wrong, me like Blinger, me just feel that I'm beaten time now.
It's her time.
Blinger don't give a shit. All Blinger trying to do clear and name all the other.
Why they say me is a hypocrite? Because if somebody come and say something about anybody when me and them talk, them want me to run the person. Me have to listen, me not have to say nothing. That's all me do, not say nothing. Make somebody else in my box answer or whatever, but me not have to say nothing. So this now them that say you're hypocrite. I know hypocrite people are gonna voice them opinion.
Dan.
Yeah, stop.
You see a TikTok liar?
Another thing you see, Dan.
Huh?
The girl said
you're a TikTok liar.
Hold on, the two of them talk at the same time. We don't know what talk. We shall not talk.
One girl, I don't know if you're in my box right now. One girl text me last week. I think last week Sunday when TikTok liar did come in at the box. One girl, I don't know if you're in the yes or no. And you text me, you said to me, you tell me a lot of things about TikTok liar. And me really look into it today and I say, hey, sometimes some people lead in the right way, but sometimes, and when you believe in it, you see when I tell you, say, you see when the spirit take people, you will swear for them, you know. I saw life going on. When the spirit take people, you will swear. Because you know, say, the girl send me the text and everything like that, and me don't pay it no mind. Because me already drawing to the girl already. So,
and people, I know that only like what Dana says still now, but you can't just take where people are tell you, people where you don't even know, I tell you, say, yo, this and that, but that the person, then you just take it and I say, yeah, I saw it go. You can't listen with them and say yes, but you don't have to run with it. You see what I say? So, I want to tell me one thing about this in the people, because we're going to watch a couple more minutes and then we're going to end it.
So me don't even look back at the text. And she texts me again. Me don't go text her back and say, really? And she texts me again and me don't even reply because like me I say, me don't like that little girl and she alright, yeah, man. Me don't see nothing wrong with her, but me don't say something bigger come. I just life, what we are going to do?
TikTok liar, if you're hearing this message, one thing I want you to do on the app, change your name to TikTok post. and you're alright with me. To me, you don't do nothing wrong.
TikTok scammer. Don't go take her already, so it come like, my spirit will just change for your same time. You have to do me something wicked, and when you do, I know me you do. So,
right.
I'm just that person.
TikTok scammer.
No, but one thing about it, remember I know, no money no issue yet, you know, so we still, I go hard, remember no money no issue yet, if you say nobody get no money, if you say she get no money, no rich, that's so
you know when the choppings that go on, if everything go through and people work for all a month and then the check last and then nobody don't hear from her.
Them work for cool running 3 weeks. I don't understand how you work for 3 weeks and you're not getting no pay. And you're not getting no pay. You're not getting no paperwork to say every 2 weeks they'll get PR, every week they'll get PR. You no kind of contract, nothing. I will just recruit people.
But Blinger, hear me Blinger, Don.
Yeah.
The only thing still, like, with RT still is like, you know, as a friend, him compete with him friend. Like, whenever a friend like that, it's you can't really trust a friend like that. Yeah, they'll cut your throat.
No, I don't think he's competing though, because he wanted the best for her. I think at this point where he gave her so many times to back him and she didn't, him kind of say, all right, then I'm going to let you think right now.
Okay, but imagine your friend and compete with you. Like, if you have an idea or whatever, and then the person start doing exactly the same thing.
RT is bigger than Bling, you know, like worldwide.
Exactly.
Bling have a good fame on TikTok, but
Yeah,
RT is
Bling
bigger
big
than
up on
Bling
TikTok.
worldwide.
RT bigger overall.
Right, him bigger overall. So you have to give him that. You have to give him props. Him bigger than Bling overall. And Bling have our name on TikTok.
But if the forward when I get you,
but when the two of them come together, them can move mountain.
Like TikTok.
Right. Understand? When the two of them come together, them can move mountain. But RT have a high temper now. You understand? So you have to control in high temper. I know, say.
Yeah.
Nah,
he's in
but
court.
he's in court.
He's doing exactly.
But Big Banks, listen.
He's running his show like Bling. That's the only thing. Isn't it?
Big Bang, he gave her the opportunity to come forward and diss up TikTok and clear our name, which she didn't. So now him still do the same judge thing what them normally do. Him not gonna want to get affiliated with that because now everybody
said the judge thing it was his idea.
Right.
Oh, okay.
He said the judge thing was his idea. He was the one who come up with it.
That's why I take back the clothes then.
That's why him said it was his idea. I don't know, but he said, and I didn't hear Bling say nothing about it. Cause me can't tell you who started. I'm gonna do say me go on live and hear them and say they start. No, so me don't know whose idea, but he said it's his.
You know the only thing can cool RT.
No, he gave her that idea to do that. She wanted to come and rank and found charity and stuff like that. He gave her the idea.
Okay.
Let me tell you the only thing we can cool RT panata. It's like how them always say my batty man. Them have to catch him pan a man or a sucker man on the internet. That's the only thing them can do to get rid of him. Nothing else.
Yeah, so a man come out and tell lies.
Yeah,
if him beat them to it, and just like he's trying to do, he's trying to just beat them to it, keep like inserting it, then maybe he can change the narrative for himself. You know, everybody already know, like, you know, that he's a little zesty, so it's that's not a secret. We know he's a little zesty what he does. So.
I don't know nothing about that man, but that's one.
But I'm not gonna accuse somebody of not what they're not.
Every minute he implement, my bottom this, I don't like it. If you're not
about that,
man. But then if you bring over those, maybe you can gain those.
Remember, say after TikTok, no like RT, you know.
Yeah, because
you remember why?
The reason why half of TikTok not like RT is because RT come over TikTok. RT come and say want take over TikTok. That was the problem.
So you remember when he went to rank you? You remember when he went to rank you? Well, I rank then come together.
Them gang because they want take it over.
TikTok boss, just the RT now win. RT shoot out.
That did feel
too
like
much money.
The song, you know, my song and me cut it out, you know, me say RT do when nobody else never do on this app. He make a man with that dime to get some kind, get a million kind pan TikTok. So you have to give him props. You understand? And don't give it to them and care if you make them do that. So you have to know about that.
Yeah, man, at the eat when they have female. If they never eat him, they don't know.
Yeah,
that.
but him build it for himself, you have to know, because if they come like normal people and say, Blink come here rank and because what we can do, but he might come say, I take you over and he my man and he rich and everybody. So like people are say, I won't just come and come take up, yo, I could gang up on him blood clot and I just that. So him build him own enemy and we have to be real with that. But it changed, guess what? The amount of enemy we didn't have before, him not have them now, you know. Him have more people now, you know, than when before guys wear off. And you have to know, say, you see these people on TikTok, them will eat you today and tomorrow them come friend you back. So the amount of people where they dislike him, in a time they not dislike him now, because you notice, say, first when him did over, and that this is just an example to show you. When Blinger used to over there and Blinger have like 200, 300, 100 odd, when RT go over there, he go to 1,000 odd. No,
yeah,
when
because everybody
can carry out to 3,000. So you know, so more people are like him, more and more are come. You understand? So not like before.
So me believe the reason why RT boss forward on TikTok the way how him forward are because he want people see him and want people know say yo me over yes you know, and you know what I mean, get the people them rile up on them something there. You see it. I feel like him do it on purpose. You see me I say yo him just want to make him name over TikTok certain way because he make him name other places already, so him just want to come over here so you know I'm big like how him big every other else place. You see me I say? So him and Bling are like Bill one another way me see it because RT him come up with some of the idea them and them something there and tell Bling what to do for reach where she reach and she also give him strength said way. You know what I mean? Right now at them are run off TikTok, you would have said. Because the other rest of people them now get the amount of people them over them thing like our RT and Bling get people over for them thing. You see me? So at them I run off it, you know. You see me? I say, big man thing, more want to tell me one thing. So what we are gonna watch maybe a minute or a few more and then we are gonna end it.
Well, you know, so what 800, you used to
He don't invite all his people, them, the royal family over. You understand?
30% of the viewer them are not like them like it. Don't just wait the screen record to slap your show.
No, the screen record that them come enough, so them the every wonder how them catch everybody live. Like them appear.
Because they have an association down.
Yeah.
And them have an association.
Then catch everybody live.
This is called screen
Dan
recording.
If RT did come over here like a normal person, that everybody that love RT. Yes, it's RT. Just say like you see quiet person come over here and just man come shoot and people are so RT that get more ratings than him. Me not ask Christ. He may not get more ratings than quieter.
Dan access. You see Bella.
Live good with everybody and get more ratings than quieter. You know
Boy.
Yeah, I hear you.
Dan, you see Bella when him belling. Me access Bella when him belling the over. Yeah. Me don't wonder if she when the way used to you remember when Amari used to used to the ball pan face and they beg money and then Belinda come to her rescue. And she
never know Amari them time. Me not do Facebook still, so me couldn't tell you.
Yeah, Amari used to ball hey Dan, you think people over TikTok make money? When beg Amari make money over Facebook when Amari used to doing live them over there. As Amari ball, people send money.
Okay.
Dan?
And lately me know Bella pan since over bling me know Bella.
Hi Dan.
Hi. Good night.
I have a question. Because
Bella used to
I'm a
buy food and send over Amari.
Let the woman ask a question.
I'm a gifter. I love to help people who are very, very badly in need.
Yeah.
But this whole mix of what going over the other side of the world, it really turned me off. I don't even know how to
turn a lot of people. It turn a lot of people because everybody I think one way like if this is everybody I do the same thing. Everybody I stop. Everybody.
Yes.
God love me.
I mean, Dan, you could have come on and say, okay, you know somebody at Jamaica who really needs to build a room or really needs some food or really needs some help. And I think it's my duty because God bring me America for a reason. Yeah. And it's my duty to give back to my country. But how do you trust what's going on now, John?
Somebody. Them just not fear. That's the thing.
Them make it. Dan, them make it.
With your family member or your community member.
Thank you very much, Ahmed.
Yeah, them just not fear. That's the thing.
Your family member or your community member. Run them off a TikTok.
Hold on a minute, big man. Hold on a minute, Don. They are making it real difficult for the people that are badly in need to get help. And they don't realize
now. And they say they want food, and you give them money for buy food, and then take it go buy a wig. And you're like, really?
There you go. But they must say this is one. Look here. Do you know most of these people are moved from one box to another with different voice, different
names, different name and different face.
They mix up, man.
Yeah, they're doing it. A lot of people doing it. Yeah.
I don't know if one girl will say she want place one room for bill because her baby and this. You know, say me send money go buy the material.
She come at me and them people and gang her in her box and say she did over blink, she get money over blink, run her way. I said, Jesus Christ.
And she really need it now. Me buy her the black and the steel and the gravel.
Hear there.
Lady.
She come over here at night and everybody gang her to Ross and say she get the money for do she do over bling. She get the over bling and she get the over yes and never tell you. I say everywhere she go do it. I say he run off her life.
Lady, next time you have money, you send it over here to Canada, give it to me, flip it and send money back, come give you. Don't send me money.
Look here, listen. I don't care who think they're trying to who are trying to use them to rip me up because listen to the unfair gameplay twice.
Yeah.
And God my life ugly.
Karma is a bitch.
But some of them are making bad for people who really need it. That's the thing, people who really need it not gonna get it.
You know how much people am I when we go, when we go my ear time, we go home sometime 4 or 5 times a year. Me drive up a half a tree, waste them and a wash car, you hear me? And I do a kind of something and half a 20 or whatever, me can't get them and buy all clothes. When me not in shirt, when me not in nothing, can't fit them and chop on the road and make them share it. That's what me do it.
The way me look upon the people, you see, if you don't follow these persons nowadays, you don't give nobody nothing. Because enough of them think them can use them head pan people and get what them can get and cut. You see me I say? But you can't watch the few of them where do that. You have to just do what you can do for people because you have people out there who need it. You understand me I say like what this woman here say. You have people out there who need it and you can't make the couple of them or whatever where do the foolish kind of stop you from, you know what I mean, sort out some people who really need it. You understand me? So we are going to watch about maybe a minute or so and then I eat that with people.
And then the next thing again, the people them are give the same person them over and over. That cannot help if you are this somebody over.
Yeah, them pick and choose who them want help.
Over and over, I said somebody a come back when they look over that live and you see them. Next 2 months you see them over there, so come on.
And I tell, look here, some of them are them friends, you see them I tell life them friend to them friend get money.
Different, them come with the same story, different page. Then somebody catch them by and say, but that girl that is over here.
It's a disgrace.
Good night, John. Good night, everybody.
Night.
I wanted to say, right, John. By the way, I was on your live all day yesterday, last night, and just as you come off, that's when this confusion busts with Facebook lawyer. TikTok lawyer. You know. I was like, damn. I said, I wish John come back on. But
what we do? God left the phone.
Yeah. So with this thing with RT, right? Okay, he's the victor because his point was proven. But you know what I don't like about RT? Yeah. He is infatuated with Blinger so bad that he's trying to justify the reason he cuts Blinger so stink.
RT and Blinger will never be enemy. If 2 of them are for them one another one, they will never be enemy.
You know what?
RT is the female version of Blinger. It's the male version of Blinger.
They will never be enemy. I just say Blinger real and a kick. She can't, as she, I just see she a real and a kick. As in go by why you adding? Why you adding?
You know what? Dan.
Alright, so I say me end it the people. Wanna tell more wanna think in the comments. And more know wanna think about RT and Blinger. Tell more wanna think if one day them a go broke where and never come back as friend, or wanna feel like say the 2 of them know what them a do and them just a put on a show. Let me know wanna think in the comment.